Welcome to Scale Computing Insights and this episode of the BCDR. I'm Chris Schultz, Director of Product Marketing, and today I'm joined by Derek Cheek, Director of Technical Services. Welcome, Derek. Thank you for joining me.
Thanks, Chris.
Now, I should probably explain what BCDR is and why it's important. Business Continuity Disaster Recovery, or BCDR, is about having and maintaining a plan in place to ensure that your business can continue functioning smoothly, even during unexpected events like natural disasters, cyber attacks, or any other kind of major disruption. Having a solid BCDR plan can prevent severe downtime, which could save your business from substantial financial losses and reputational damage. It's like having an insurance policy, but for your IT and operational capabilities. So how do we get started with BCDR planning, Derek?
Well, it all starts with assessing your business's critical processes and assets. Being able to identify the potential risks and vulnerabilities in your physical and virtual systems, then creating a plan that ensures multiple layers of continuity and recovery, outlining steps to be taken in case of any disruption. You can break it into two categories: data and IT systems, and testing and training. So data really is the lifeblood of your modern business. Getting regular data backups, both on-site and off-site, are crucial, but only one step in the process. Consider investing in a redundant IT infrastructure so that if one system fails, the other can take over seamlessly with little interruption to the business systems and user. More importantly, regular testing and training are critical. You need to conduct drills and simulations with your team to ensure that they know what to do in case of an emergency. Not only will it boost their confidence and readiness, but you'll also be able to identify any flaws in the plan that need improving or updating.
And of course, be sure to test different scenarios, because testing for a ransomware attack is wildly different from someone accidentally deleting data on a server. So who's responsible for DR?
Well, the short answer is everyone is. Responsibility for a business continuity plan is typically assigned to a team or individuals within the organization who are equipped to oversee its development, implementation, and maintenance. While the specifics of that plan can vary based on the organization's size, structure, and industry, there are some key roles responsible for different aspects of the continuity plan. It starts with executive leadership. The top management, including the CEO or COO, holds the overall responsibility for approving the continuity plan and allocating resources for its implementation. This leadership provides strategic direction to ensure that this business continuity plan aligns with the organization's overall objectives. Then you may have a business continuity manager or coordinator. This individual or team of people are directly responsible for overseeing the development, execution, and testing of the continuity plan. They will collaborate with various departments to ensure the plan's effectiveness and manage its ongoing maintenance and updates. Then you can have a risk management team. This team assesses all the potential threats, vulnerabilities, and impact on business operations. This really is a crucial role that helps identify all of the risks that are in the continuity plan, how to address and ensure that mitigation strategies are in place. Your IT team are responsible for the technical aspects of the business continuity, including all of the disaster recovery plans and high availability strategies. They ensure that critical systems and data are protected and can be restored swiftly in case of disruptions. Department heads and leaders of various departments contribute by providing insights into the critical functions and resources in their departments. They help in identifying dependencies and systems and people, critical data, and really facilitate those necessary recovery time objectives. And then finally, all employees. While not directly responsible for creating the continuity plan, all employees play a role in its success. Being aware of their roles during disruptions, following the protocols outlined in the plan, and actively participating in training and testing exercises. Collaboration among these stakeholders is essential to develop a comprehensive and effective BCP. The plan's success hinges on clear communication, a shared understanding of roles, and a commitment to maintaining the organization's resilience in the face of unexpected events.
And then we get asked if there's a disaster and we're affected, do we have to tell anyone? And how you communicate information about a disaster depends on your audience, including management, your employees, clients, suppliers, regulators, the media, and even the public. When, how, and to whom should a business communicate whether there's been a disaster?
External communications, particularly with media and general public, is a bit tricky. It doesn't mean you need to share every detail in a press conference, but being transparent about the situation and what your disaster recovery plan looks like will ease people's concerns and give your organization a reputation for honesty and reliability. And before sharing information about a disaster with anyone, take the time to assess the situation and make sure that you develop a unified message about how your business plans to recover. During an emergency, it's essential that your organization speaks with one single voice. Not only will this position your company as well organized and prepared for any challenge, but it will also help you to avoid sending mixed signals, especially on social media. When crafting this official message, consider creating tiers of who needs to know what. For example, senior leadership needs to know the most about the situation, followed by the rest of your employees and then your business partners. In most scenarios, the media should only be given essential details, like immediate closures or specific damages to areas beyond your property, typically through an official press release.
So keep your plan updated. Businesses evolve, so your BCDR plan should too. Review it periodically, especially after significant changes in your operations. And remember, having a well thought out BCDR plan is a sign of a resilient and forward-thinking business. If you need help, Scale Computing Services can help with your BCDR planning. Just email the address below for more information. Thank you, Derek, for joining today, and thank you to our audience for watching.